guess this might be the last time I ride this road until springtime. The wet, salty roads, great reminder that I shouldn't be out here. I'm gonna have to hose this thing down when I get home. We're going up now. We're back to 51. It's really warming up. Can't wait till we're back in the 60s. My braking fingers are cold. I'm already dragging the poo-poo out of my rear brake. Look, there's still leaves on the trees down here. Come on, get back to 60 degrees. About to between 55 and 57. All right, we landed on 57. I can feel the warmth coming through my left hand. It hasn't hit my right hand yet. My right hand's really cold. Look at all these leaves. Y'all just don't know. It is an accident waiting to happen. Leaves are worse than an icy road. There's just not enough traffic on the North Carolina side to clean it off. Yeah, this detour was worth it. It was worth it. I'll hit Neil's Gap for you when the weather clears up a little bit in the next couple weeks. If it looks like it's going to get in the upper 60s, I'll jump on a VFR and show you what the Gap looks like without trees. Alright, we're officially off the Skyway. Headed to Robbinsville. There's only about a half dozen states that I haven't visited in the United States of America. But I'm going to tell you, Western North Carolina has got to be one of the most beautiful places in the world. Definitely one of the most beautiful places in the U.S. And if you're a motorcycle rider, there's probably no better place to live. Alright, we're at 62 degrees. Feels good. And I'm going to click off here. I hope you all enjoy my video. I doubt I'm going to have too many more videos from now until springtime. But as I can, I will post them so you can at least see what it's like to be in the mountains in the wintertime in North Carolina. There are some good riding days in the winter, but we'll see. Fingers crossed.